Hi everyone, happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today we're going to go over an exit ticket that we would have done if we were in class together. Before we start the exit ticket, I would just like to give a reminder that on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8:30, math will be shown. However, Miss Calabufo received a lot of feedback that it was very helpful when she posted the link to the math. So again, she's going to try her best to see if she can continue to do that, as we know that it helps being able to watch it at different times throughout the day. So, to the exit ticket, this behind me is what we would be doing in class. I wrote it down on my whiteboard so it would be easier for you to all see. We're going to start off with the first question that says, circle the model that shows 1/3 shaded. To me, it looks like they all show 1/3 shaded. 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3. However, we need to remember that we want equal parts shaded. Look at them and ask yourself, do any of these show equal parts? I'm going to start with the first one. So I see this is a big size box. This is another big size box. But then I get over here and this one's really tiny. Are they equal? No. These do not show equal shadings, which means it is not showing us 1/3 shaded. I'll move on to this one. I see one is shaded out of 3, but are they equal? Are they the same sizes? No. Look at how big this one in the middle is, and look at the size of this one and this one. Those are both very tiny. So that is not showing us 1/3 because they're not equal. Now, to the very bottom, this is a good size, this is a good size, and this is a good size. Do these boxes look equal? They do. So this one is showing us that 1 out of 3 is shaded because they are equal parts. So this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. And it tells us, circle the model that shows 1/3 shaded. I'm going to circle the correct one. The next question says, there are blank equal parts in all. Blank are shaded. So if I'm looking for equal parts in all, I'm going to count all of the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 equal parts in all. The second part asks me blank are shaded. Now I'm going to count the ones that are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are shaded. The last question says, Michael bakes a piece of garlic bread for dinner. He shares it equally with his 3 sisters. Show how Michael and his 3 sisters can each get an equal share of the garlic bread. First, I need to look at this question and think, what should I start off with? I know that Michael is sharing a piece of garlic bread, so I can draw the garlic bread that he's going to share. And I'll do that by drawing my rectangle or my square. The next thing I'm going to look at is how many people are sharing. I know that Michael is sharing with his 3 sisters. So I know Michael, 1 sister, 2 sister, 3 sister, that's 4 people, okay? So it needs to be split into 4 pieces. So there's so many different ways that Michael can split this. He could go down and split it in half, and split it in half again. If we had another piece of garlic bread, he could split it going this way. Or he could even split it going this way. They all show 4 pieces of garlic bread split equally. I hope this helps. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and we will try to answer them as soon as possible.